In this video, you will learn about how to format numbering cells. So that means the cells, those having numbers, numerical values or date values, you can format them using the options available under Home tab, Number group. Okay, see, in our employees report or statement, we have numbers like basic salaries and net salaries, etc., etc. So for these cells, I want to apply different styles. So now these are in plain mode. You select them. Suppose presently I am going to select only basic. Then here the first option is available, accounting number format. If you click on that, basically it will appear like rupees and comma separators, thousand separators, like precision, everything came here. And say Control Z to go back, to undo, or otherwise you can undo from here also. And then here the down arrow list is there. How you want to apply? English India in rupees, or in something like it is in Telugu, similar format only, similar format. And United States means dollar symbol will come. And if you apply something euro or pound, see pound symbol came here. Pound, not only pound symbol, the accounts related, what are the specifications they are having, that will come. And even you can apply the UK pound and euro also you can apply, and even you can apply Chinese currency format also. So like that you can select the relevant format to the data. If you want to apply to all this, you have to select all, then apply the same format to all of them. So this is somewhat better for accounting purpose. Okay, and see, if you want more accounting formats available, and you can adjust, like you can adjust decimal places, and you can adjust currencies, everything, currency symbol also you can adjust, you can do anything here. See, we have different currency symbols. You can select the currency symbol which you want, and if you don't want the decimal places, 2 decimal places, and make it 1 decimal places came, and you can apply from here also. Number format same will come, and you can increase the size, and you can change the symbol what you want, you can apply. Suppose Kazakh symbol, and finally you can say OK, and I am going to place the rupee only. And see here, not only currency, accounting is there, date is there, how you want the date. Suppose if it is the date relevant data, you can select how you want the date. Okay, and time also is there, even percentage also is there, percentage, fractions, and scientific, etc., etc. formats you can select as per your requirement. Okay, and you can customize also to the selected formats. And I am cancelling. See, we have percentage here, percentage style. See, percentage style came, but this is not good for this data, this kind of data. Suppose student, Here I am going to select average. So here I will try to apply percentage. So this is also not proper data. So if you want to apply percentage, you can apply percentage symbol. And if you want like comma separators, comma style, already comma style, only comma style if you want, if there is no previous accounting, then if there is plain data, then you can apply comma style with 1000 separator, say 15,000 comma, like that will come. And you can always increase or decrease decimals. See, after point you can increase the number of zeros or you can decrease the number of zeros, like this. See, we have the accounting and number, currency and short date, long date, time, everything is listing here itself. Suppose here I am typing some date 12 something 2023. So for this, here I am going to type -12 -2023. This date, suppose if the date of join, like that fields are there, so then automatically, see, this is the date field. If you click outside, general will come. If you click here, currency will come. If you click here, accounting will come. As per the data, suppose if you click here, general will come. As per the data, automatically it will recognize in latest version of Excel. So here that is date. In date we can have long date. See, 12 December 2023, and we have short date, and we have even time also. If you set time, hours, minutes, hours colon, minutes colon, seconds, then you can use that time. And fractions, percentages, you can use scientifical and a normal text. Okay. So this same thing you can adjust here also. General data or numerical data, or whether it is text. So as per that only you can select the corresponding option, and you can also customize yourself. In customize, there are general some types. So using these types, how you want the data, suppose or, hash, comma, hash, 0, like this. If you want, you can adjust. See, of course this is a date data, but as per date count will come from 1900 onwards. That count became 45,007, like that. So if you apply in normal numerical data, then you can find the differences. Okay. Suppose custom, I can select like this format, or suppose rupees like this format, or like this. So you can always customize yourself. Okay, like that you can adjust the numbers available. For example, finally I am going to set this as accounting. So how you want your data, whether it is text or date or time or number. You can accordingly you can set the values currently in the sheet. Okay.